Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I've done a video for you on this very wet day to show you around our Ford Focus. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth and also air conditioning. So let's have a look around. This car has 3 previous owners. It comes with a 1.6 litre petrol engine, it has 103 horsepower. The car's done under 55,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.